That's so cool. Right, hello. Right, these cables here are basically from AliExpress. They're really good because the braided cables in the 100-watt cables, it isn't just that. It's the fact is they've got a screen on. Now the screen is good because obviously when you plug it in the charger, you actually know what wattage it's actually charging at. Because like if you with a normal cable, you don't actually know and you can't tell sometimes if it's charging or not, like the right voltage and things like that. And that's good for that. These are USB Type C, and also they do the micro version of it to USB. Like I say, these are 1 meter cables. I will put a link in the description below, but check this. Just check this. It's cool. Right, I've currently got it plugged in. Now this is the USB micro USB one. I'm going to try these wireless headphones and see what it does. At the moment it says 000. Now when I plug it in, it should change. Yeah, if you can see there, it says 0.5. Now obviously this is 0.5 because obviously that's what the charger will go up to, but obviously if you got a better charger, it'll probably go higher than that anyway. It varies basically, depending what charger you got. Now let's try the USB Type C one. So unplug it on there, on the same thing, on the same one. Unplug it, then we're going to try it on this Chromebook here. Let's unplug that, and plug this one in. Right, got it plugged in. It's the same again. It says 000, and this is USB Type C one. Now, if I plug it in here, it should change. Oh, yeah, it's changing. And this one's actually going to 2.8 watt. This is what I mean about cables. Obviously, depending on what device you've got, for some reason, all different wattages. It keeps changing to all wattages, and it's actually the same charger. So I don't know how to understand that. But this can go up to 100 watt. At least you know how much wattage you're using basically to charge it. But like I say, this goes up to 100 watt. Yeah, I just thought I'd show you them. I mean, I found these very interesting because I found these on AliExpress and I thought, oh, that's quite interesting. It's got a screen on it. So I thought, oh yeah, I'll buy them and just thought I'd show you guys. So that's why I'm doing this little video. I will put the product link in the description below. These cables are 1 meter and they are around £3 to buy, so they aren't that expensive. And I thought, it's pretty handy with a little screen on there. I thought at first on AliExpress I thought it was a sticker. I thought that's probably fake, it's probably just a sticker. What actually come true, it's actually really a screen. I'm surprised, I've never seen these before, and this is the first time I've seen them anyway, so yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments below anyway. And thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. Bye.